the Terrain 10 and the metabolic approach to cancer. Now, don't just tune out because you don't have cancer. This isn't about cancer, it's about metabolic health, disease prevention, and thriving in your body. Alright, let's break down these 10 core areas of health and why they matter. Hey there! Welcome back to the podcast. Today we are diving into something that has changed the way I look at health, the Terrain 10 and the metabolic approach to cancer. Now, don't just tune out because you don't have cancer. This isn't about cancer, it's about metabolic health, disease prevention, and thriving in your body. So where this all started, Dr. Nasha Winters, a naturopathic doctor and a cancer survivor, spent decades researching the best way to support body's natural ability to heal. She discovered that by focusing on 10 key areas where she calls the Terrain 10, we can create an internal environment where disease struggles to take hold. And there's the best part. You don't have to guess where you stand. There's a quiz. The Terrain 10 quiz helps you assess your personal health landscape and spot the areas that need attention. You can download it from the link below or go to Dr. Nasha Winters' website or read her book, The Metabolic Approach to Cancer. Alright, let's break down these 10 core areas of health and why they matter. Number 1, epigenetics and nutrigenomics. Your genes aren't just your destiny. What you eat, how you live, and even mindset can influence gene expression. That means you have more control over your health than you think. The right diet and the lifestyle can turn good genes on and bad genes off, reducing your risk of chronic disease and optimizing your cellular function. Number 2, glycemic control and ketogenic metabolism. Blood sugar matters. High glucose level feeds inflammation and disease, while a balanced metabolism supports longevity. Managing blood sugar isn't about avoiding diabetes. It impacts energy levels, brain function, and even how well your immune system fights off infections. When your body efficiently burns fat for fuel instead of sugar, it reduces oxidative stress and inflammation. Number 3, toxic load and detoxification. We are constantly exposed to toxins from food, water, air, and even personal care products. Reducing that burden supports long-term health. When detox pathways are sluggish, toxins accumulate, leads to fatigue, hormone imbalances, and increased cancer risk. Supporting liver function, sweating through exercise or sauna, and choose non-toxic personal products can make a huge difference. Number 4, microbiome and gut health. Your gut is your second brain. A healthy microbiome affects everything from digestion to immune function. Poor gut health can lead to autoimmune diseases, food sensitivities, and even mental health issues. A balanced gut microbiome means a better nutrient absorption, stronger immunity, and reduced inflammation. Prebiotics, probiotics, and gut healing foods help keep your microbiome in top shape. Immune system function. Chronic inflammation and weakened immune system are the root of most modern disease. Strengthening your immunity defense is a key. A robust immune system not only fights infections but also help prevent abnormal cell growth. Strategies like getting enough sleep, reducing stress, and using immune supportive supplements can make a huge difference in keeping your body resilient. Number 6, inflammation and oxidative stress. Reducing inflammation and oxidative stress helps protect cells from damaging and slow down aging. Chronic inflammation is linked to nearly every major disease: cancer, heart disease, Alzheimer's. Reducing blood sugar processed food and environmental toxins, while increasing antioxidants from whole foods and supplements can help protect against cellular damage. Next, blood circulation and oxygenation. Oxygen is life, enhancing circulation through breathwork, EWOT, exercise with oxygen therapy, and hyperbaric oxygen therapy can dramatically improve health. Proper blood flow ensures nutrients and oxygen reach all parts of your body, supporting healings and detoxification. Poor circulation leads to stagnation, allowing toxins to build up and disease to take root. Hormone balance. Your hormone regulates metabolism, energy, and mood. Keeping them balanced is essential for feeling your best. Hormonal imbalances can contribute to weight gain, fatigue, mood swings, and even serious conditions like PCOS and thyroid disorders. Balancing stress, optimizing sleep, and supporting endocrine health naturally can lead to more stable energy and mood. Mental health, emotional terrain. Stress, trauma, emotional resilience play a massive role in physical health. Mindset matters. Chronic stress elevates cortisol, which in turn fuels inflammation, weakens immunity, also disrupts gut health. Learning to regulate stress through meditation, breath work, and therapy can shift your entire terrain towards healing. Purpose and connection. Having a sense of purpose, meaningful relationship contributes to longevity and well-being. Loneliness and lack of purpose have been linked to higher risks of disease and early death. When you are engaged in something meaningful, have a strong support network, your body thrives. Community, social bonds, and personal passion are just as important as diet and exercise. So what's the benefit of knowing your terrain? Because knowledge is power. And when you understand your terrain, you can make informed decisions about your health. You take back control, no more guessing or waiting until something goes wrong. You prevent disease before it starts. Addressing these 10 areas makes you more resilient to chronic illness. You feel better, more energy, sharper focus, improved mood. Who doesn't want that? It is personal. No size fits all health advice here. The Terrain 10 helps you tailor a plan that works for you. My journey in finding a practitioner. Now a little personal share. I am actively following this approach, integrating many of these principles into my own health journey. It's been a game changer for me, and I want you to experience the same benefits. If you're curious about working with someone who understands the inside and out, you can find a Terrain certified practitioner through Dr. Nasha Winters' website, or reach out to us to get more information. Having guidance makes all the difference when navigating your health. So my challenge to you, take the Terrain 10 quiz, see where you stand, and start making small, meaningful changes. Thank you again for joining me at this episode. I'll see you next time.